Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Ann, and if you're not new, welcome back. What we do here is a lot of makeup related stuff, really like anything related to beauty. We do unboxings, makeup tutorials, makeup reviews, just pretty much anything to do with makeup or sometimes beauty. But today we're going to be doing the Lashy Box for September. So Lashy Box is a monthly subscription. It costs us $12.99 a month. You do have to pay shipping and handling. It's around $3 a month. I will put everything down in the description box below so I get everything right. They do have different like terriers that they do have. This used to be their big box, is this one right here, but they have upgraded. I have noticed a difference in my box since it's been upgraded, so I'm really not knowing if I'm going to keep it or not. I've considered going ahead and canceling it because a few months ago it was like a whole lot better. We got like because in the end, it's still around like $16, $17 for the box. And we used to get like better stuff. And now it's like, I don't know. It's just not the same. We used to get like 2 makeup items. I've noticed lately we're getting 1 makeup item. And if we do get 2 makeup items, they're very small. Even when we're just getting 1, we're getting not what I'm feeling. But it's really just a lash subscription. You get 3. They advertise it as 3 to 5 pairs of lashes. I normally get 4 pairs of lashes, which is really a good deal. And we was getting 2 makeup items. And normally it was like a palette and something else. Or just like, 2 different things. So, let's see what we got this month. Okay. So, we got a little quad here. I don't know, it's just like, I guess where I got used to it being one way, and since they're like, now since they have their like, bigger box, it just seems like, I don't know, it's like disappointing. I have got some really good palettes out of it that I've really liked. So, Illuminati quad palette. I do like the colors. This is Center. Now, I don't think I've, used a lot of their makeup. So, we got 4 really pretty colors. These are colors I would actually wear. But they are all, shimmers. So, here's the first one, which would make a good highlighter, too. Then there's that one. So, they are pretty. I really like the reds. Here lately, I've been feeling a lot of reds and doing a lot of red looks. So, I do like that. And we got a brush. And this is by Bella. This is the Shadow Fluff. It is 110. It does look like a good brush. It feels really good. It's soft. And it's pretty dense. It's like the thinner brushes, which I really like, especially if I'm trying to get in here, really like certain spots really good. So I do like that. I've never used none of their brushes. Bella. I don't even know if I used anything by them. Okay, so I did like both of them. Okay, a pair of lashes is by My Lash Bag. It's a premium 3D Flux Mix False Eyelash. It's a reusable, vegan, cruelty-free. I've never used this one either. It is designed in the USA, made in PRC. And so they are pretty. They do have a good looking band on them. Okay, so then we got 2 by Lashy Box. We got the Lunar. I really like these. I love a design like that. Okay, so the next one is Darling. And the Lashy Box lashes are 3D. silk lashes. I think that's what they are. Yeah, silk lashes. And they, I wear their lashes all the time. I think no, not today. I'm not wearing lashy boxes today. I do wear them a lot, but I do have like a lot of lashes. My cat is like moving everything around. I do like these. I like how they're curled up at the end. So I do like these. And Zola Lashes. Now, I've used, in Lashy Box, I've used Zola Lashes. They are really good lashes. These look really pretty, though. And this is their Laney. And theirs is a premium 3D mink lashes, reusable up to 30 times with proper care. That is the thing about lashes. If you take good care of them, you can reuse them for a very long time. So, I always like to make sure when I'm putting my bag to wipe them down and make sure I put them back in their containers to keep anything from like dust or makeup, or like sometimes I'll spill powder or something, make sure I don't get nothing on them. And as long as I keep them put up, they are fine. Now, if I'm in a rush and I lay my lashes down and think to myself, I'm going to put them back later, sometimes they don't go back later, and then I have one lash, can't find the other one. Done it with my favorite pair. I got to wear them like twice and lost them. But these are like really, really pretty. I do like how they're, now here's my other cat wanting to come. It's like they're little stalkers. They follow you wherever you go. And if anybody owns cats, they know what I'm talking about. And if you've never owned a cat, they are stalkers. You don't go to the bathroom. You don't go anywhere in the house. You don't even cook. This one is right here. He's always under my feet. I've learned when I walk back, if I'm at the stove and I step back, I take a chance of falling over him because he stays under my feet. But I do like this. It's got like a crisscross design. They're pretty long. I like a long lash. I like that dramatic effect. So I do like these. So really, all in all, I did like my lashes this month. I did like the little quad. I like the brush. But I'm not sure if I'm going to keep Lashy Box or not, because I don't know. I just feel like ever since they've started with their $25 box, like this one has not been the same. You can check their Instagram out. They preview. I don't ever check it out because I want to be surprised when I get my items, so I never check their Instagram out. But they do, like, every month they give you, like, before you get your box, so at the end of the month or last 2 weeks of the month, they'll start, like, showing you items that you're going to get, and so you'll know what you're going to get. So they do show the items and you get an idea of the better box, but they do have like the $25 box. It's like pretty much all full-size items, and this is the second biggest one. It used to be like, normally you used to get like a palette and something else, or a lipstick or something like that, but I don't know, some months, like the last 4 or 5 months, ever since they started with the big box, it's been like, sometimes you maybe get a makeup palette, or you might just get like one makeup item and that's it. But they do have the dramatic box, or for people who just wants the big lashes. I like both lashes. I do prefer the dramatic lashes, but I do like wearing smaller lashes. Depends on what I'm doing, what I'm wearing, what I'm going to do that day, and I guess where I'm going or something like that. And the makeup look. If it's if I'm going to tone it down, which is probably never, but if I was going to tone it down, I'd probably put a smaller pair of lash on. But a lot of times, me, I don't tone my makeup down. So then they have just a all lash box that, you get like different kinds of lashes. It's around $10 a month or something like that. I can't remember. I'll try to put that stuff down in the description box below. My mind's like, shoo. Anytime I think about it, stuff, I can have it in my mind, know what to say, and then I forget. But then I will put the link down for Lashy Box if you'd like to try it for yourself. I do like it. I've got some incredible lashes from them. I'm just not sure, like, I'm overflowing with lashes, and I'm not really getting stuff I like right now. So I don't know if I'd prefer to have another subscription box. I've been with this one probably for over a year now, so I figured maybe it's time to try something else, something maybe better fit it for me. So I don't know about that. If you do have any, like, ideas on what to try next, just leave it down in the comments below, and I'll check that out, because I know there's all kinds of different subscription boxes out there, and I'm sure I could find one better. But I used to love this when I first got it, and I don't know, I just don't feel it no more. But I guess that's just how it goes. You lose interest. But I've got, like, so many lashes right now, it ain't funny. And if I keep getting them, I'm never going to wear them all. But I'm bad about, like, I get a favorite pair of lash, and it seems like I'll get a couple pairs, and that's what I want to wear, and I'll wear them too until, like, it's time to throw them away. And by the end, I've still got a bunch of lashes, and I'll get some new ones, and I don't know. So I figured I'm really good on lashes, and since I'm not getting, like, makeup items that I like, that I just probably try something else. If I remember to cancel. That's another thing, is remembering to cancel this subscription. But I guess that is it for today on Lashy Box. I do have some other makeup videos coming up, and gotta go check on my turkey. I have a blue turkey, for anybody that knows, I was talking about it. So I'm down to one turkey, and I don't know, he's like, since he's been by himself, he's been getting depressed, and I've turned him loose in the yard, actually, so that I think he needs friends. I think he's getting lonely being by himself, but I live, like, next to a lake, and the thing about that is there is bobcats, there is mountain lions, there is bears, coyotes, probably wolves, but there's all kinds of stuff that kills, and chicken hawks, and so I keep him up in a lot, but I've been letting him loose the last few days, because he's been, like, his name's Blue, but he's been, like, really blue. So he's actually doing a little bit better, where he's walking around, checking out the chickens and stuff. So I don't really know nothing about turkeys, and I gotta learn. But I figured if I could maybe find him some girlfriends, that he would do better. Just having somebody, I guess, not really talk to, but I don't know if they talk to each other. But I think he needs that socializing thing going on. I think he just don't like being by himself. But he shouldn't have killed his mate. But I guess that is it. Hope you guys did like this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed. And I guess that's it. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye for now.